So been given a whole heap of Caudabe cases here. In fact, the entire lineup from the Veil to the Sheath to the Lucid Clear and the Synthesis down here. We've also got the Crystal Shield screen protector on to have a look at. So I'm going to do an unboxing of these over the next couple of days and try them on the iPhone 12 and see what they're like. I have been using the Sheath on my iPhone 11 Pro before I bought the 12, and it is just an amazing case. It's got excellent amount of grip, excellent amount of drop protection. It's just minimalist as Caudabe are, and it feels amazing on the phone. It really helps with grip and everything. So just a little rundown of what we've got. We've got the Veil over here. This is Caudabe's impossibly thin protection with enhanced texture. So it offers not a great amount of impact resistance. It's pretty low on the scale, but it is the thinnest case that you can purchase for an iPhone. I think it really is ridiculously thin. Next, we've got the Sheath in the gray and the black. I have the black, like I mentioned before, for my 11 Pro. I haven't tried the gray yet, so I can't rave enough about this case. It is just fantastic. The Sheath has excellent impact protection. Not the best. I think the Synthesis is the best in the Caudabe lineup, but it's got very high impact resistance because it's quite rubbery and absorbs the shock when you drop your phone. It's pretty low on the thinness scale for Caudabe as well. So yeah, I look forward to trying those. The Lucid Clear case that we've got here. So this is the graphite clear case. So it's got like a tint in the plastic, and this is the completely clear case. And you can see that this case and the Veil at the start has cutouts for all the buttons. So it doesn't actually have little buttons on the side like the Sheath and the Synthesis does. So that'll be interesting. I would really like to try those, being able to push the actual button on the phone rather than having to go through a rubber case. The impact resistance for the Clear is about halfway on the Caudabe scale, and they're quite thin as well. So we move down to the Synthesis. We've got that in the Stealth Black, they call it. It's got a few little grippy bits on the side there. It's got the buttons. I think this is the thickest case that Caudabe make, and when I say thickest, it's still quite minimalist compared to a lot of other cases out there, and it's about halfway on their thinness scale. So it's a little bit thicker it's a little bit bigger than most of them, but yeah. They all have raised lips, so you can put them face down on the table, and the Crystal Shield here is their glass screen protector. The one thing I like about them, which I haven't tried before, is they've got no notch cutout. So the glass goes right across all the Face ID and the front facing camera. So that'll be quite interesting to see how much that covers everything and if everything still works okay. But yeah, they're the unboxings that I'm going to do, so keep an eye out for those. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.